Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your headphones JLab Studio Pro. And the first one is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. Then, right here at the right ear cup we have USB-C port, so connect USB-C cable right at this port. And right here we can see this LED light, so it means that it's charging. Also, we can use a phone to charge our headphones, and all you need to have is just USB-C to USB-C cable, what look like this. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now, connect USB-C cable to your phone, and the second one, USB-C cable to USB-C port on your right ear cup. And right here we can see this LED light, so it means that it's also charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!